sensor. I put some grounds on the coil packs, and I upgraded my fuel pump for a 340 liter an hour pump by Quantum. So far it's running great. I got everything packed up, my laptop, gun case, all that other good stuff. So that's all there. So I am going to be working in Palm Springs. So it's about a 4.5 hour drive to my hotel, and let's see if she can make it. I might be getting this thing dyno just to see a number. First things first, let's get some gas. All right, so we're all fueled up. Now to head over to Palm Springs. Long drive, about, like I said, 4 hours, but we're gonna stop by my buddy's shop first, K-Powered, and he said he wants me to see the numbers on the car, so let's see you on the road. We're gonna go through Joshua Tree, all this other good stuff, but it is beautiful. It's a good little scenic route that you like to take back to California. I don't have to deal with going through Bakersfield and all that other stuff, so real nice little road to get here. So till we stop. So this is one of the little spots. It's a beautiful area. Sorry for the wind. Yeah. Beautiful spot. I'm gonna take a little photo here and there. Man, take a look at this car. All right, let's get going, and there's gonna be another stop I want to go to. She starts. Yeah, another place I want to go to, and it's a historic place. So let's go ahead and start to drive. All right, this is stop number 2, and check it out. Route 66, roadside attraction. Got Roy's in the back. Got Roy's in the back. Got the MR2. Got a couple of photos already. But yeah, stop number 2. Stop number 3 is going to be at my buddy's shop. Put the car in the dyno, see what numbers it gets. So let's get back in the car. Get ready to drive. Where's my keys? Where's my keys? This is in my other pocket. Say it loud. There you go. All right, we're almost at K-Power. Coming around. K-Power. See my buddy, Jesus. K-Power, there's my buddy. I'll say what's up to my buddy. What's up, brother? Alright, so I'm over here at K-Power at my buddy's place. I guess we're gonna put the car on the dyno. EG. I really want an EG. It's K-swap, naturally aspirated. Just need to take one more car out of the area so we can put it on the dyno and see what numbers it pulls out. Yeah, let's hurry up and wait until we can get that car out. All right. the end of the road trip. Did some work here for BMW. My home here was Homewood Suites out in La Quinta. I used to live here, but now I live in Vegas, as you know. So I'm on my way back home. I forgot how bad the roads are here. Holy crap. But other than that, you know, on the main road with 111, it's horrible. Gonna be heading on home. Maybe stop by Jesus again at K-Power and say bye. But here's the car, sitting pretty. There she is, looking pretty. Put it on the dyno, running good. We're going to get some gas. Start our 4 hour and 20-minute drive. Let's get you in here. Got my coffee. Homewood Suites, thanks for having me stay here. And here we are. Driving. Gonna catch up to a good game, nice try with my homegirl, Sonia, on the podcast. And yeah, let's get this, not a cold start anymore, but let's start. Things I need to do. As you can see, this is not zeroed out, so I need to do something with that, change out the resistor in the back of the tach, and do some stuff on the ECU. Here we go. Alright, okay, so I just got done talking to Rich. He's my tuner, BRF Manufacturing, and he told me about the logs. He's like, dude, you have so much more to gain. By the time I get home to Vegas, he said he'll have a log for me. I don't want to put it in, I don't want to do anything now because I have a long drive home, and I don't want the car breaking down on me mid-trip, and I'm stuck because, like I said, I go to a place where it's the back road through Mojave, Joshua Tree, Amboy, SEMA. So there's no reception there. So if I get stuck, I'm stuck until someone passes by, and hopefully they stop for me and help me out. Other than that, I am going to start driving. So I'll see you in Vegas. All right, everyone. So I am back home. It's the next day. Still made it with 3/4 tank fuel. So I'm so happy about that. So like I said, drivability is fantastic. A couple of leaks here and there, so clean it up. I think I overfilled it, the transmission gear oil, too much. You can see that it's venting off the top. So hopefully, maybe now it is now level. Just the normal leaks that I had, which is the oil leak that I had from the oil pan, and I have a little small pinhole leak on the hard pipes to the heater core. So repair that or just bypass it. I don't know what I want to do yet. Next video, I will be installing the new tune that my tuner Rich has for me, and we'll try that out, see if I can find a place in Vegas to do the dyno for me. Maybe we'll have some time on it so then he could fine-tune it. Not in a big rush, but like I said, he is confident with even not as an aggressive timing. We're going to make a ton of power from where I'm at. I just got to mess with the fuel trim, and I'm done. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Peace out.